Hello, I'm ReShawna Leaven with Keller Williams Realty. So today I want to show you how to create a Facebook custom profile frame for an actual, what it is a frame to overlay on top of your profile photo. So let's get started. So today's agenda, I'll first show you the finished product of what it's going to look like. I'll overview the tools that I used, and I'll do a demo on how I created it in a video. So here is the finished product. So this is on my mobile device. So I am searching for the frame that I had did earlier today. So those are the ones that I did, and those are the overlays. And then you click save, and then you're done. I wanted to change it, so. And then you click save, and then you're done. Alright, so tools that I used for this is CANVA, because everybody knows I love the CANVA software. It's the best since they've created it. And then I use CANVA for all my presentations now. I used to be a PowerPoint queen, but now I consider myself a Facebook queen, or almost there. I say I'm a Facebook princess. Not a Facebook princess, a CANVA princess. But anyway, so I use CANVA, I use Facebook. So here's a step-by-step guide. So first in CANVA, you want to create your template. Make sure that to use as a guide, I would say use the Instagram dimensions for this, and also put use a photo that you're going to use for your Facebook as a guide, so you can make sure that you're creating the actual image correctly. Because what you don't want to do is you don't want to have your words or everything not be there in the actual, because you have to think, well, things are going to be cut off, so you have to keep everything within the center and within that circle, because that's the actual preview. Now if somebody clicks on it, they will see the whole thing, but we want them to be able to see what it is and the reason to actually click on that image. So you create your image in CANVA, and then when you download it, make sure it's a PNG file and that you download your image as transparent, or it won't upload right, because it will actually upload as a complete image with the white background. Then you go to the Facebook developer link for the Frame Studio, which I have here, and you create your frame, you resize it, preview it, and save it. So these are a preview of the templates I created earlier. So first is I'm a realtor, everything I touch is sold, I love referrals, and this is the one that I'm actually going to work on today. So helping you put the pieces together in real estate. So I want to copy this so I can show you how easy it is to change the colors. So we want to change those puzzle pieces to red. So you click on that and change that to red, and then I want to click on the actual banner piece and turn that to black. So you see how easy it is. So you create one, you can create a copy of it and just keep doing that over and over and over. So now, remember I said file type PNG, click on the transparent background PNG only, and make sure you're selecting the page number that you actually want to do, and click download. And each time I save something from CANVA, I have it automatically prompt me to change the name, but this is the actual file name that I want, so I'll just save it as that. So now this is the Facebook for developers for creating your frame. Click on create a frame. Sorry, computer's a little slow today. So these are all the previous ones I created earlier. So what you want to do, actually that's not right. You don't want to click on that. 1 second. You want to click Open Frame Studio. Now this is the window that we want to see. So click on Open Art, and you click on the actual image that you want to use. Click Open. And you want to make sure that the actual background is transparent. So you see the bottom, you can see, and it'll tell you the percentages that you don't want to go over that amount, because if you go over that amount, it's going to be cut off. So I'm like, move it over. And so you can see what it looks like on mobile. Next, I want to give it a name so I'll remember what this is. I'm going to call this Puzzle. Let's see, Teal. Real Estate. And you can make this available anywhere, only certain locations, and you can put it on a schedule. So it could be actually deleted at a certain point, or it can be available forever. And put in keywords if you want others to be able to search for it. And then you click Publish, and it gives you a warning. And once you're ready to publish, publish, because once you click Publish, you can't undo it. So let's say you uploaded it wrong. So that means you would have to delete that one and start over. So now it says your frame has been published. You can actually edit your profile photo and then add frame. It's going to be in that location. So we're going to click Done. So now I'm on my profile. Now I'm going to click on Image. One thing I do want to mention, if you had set a time limit for your actual frame ahead of time, you may have to make sure you delete that one. So that's why you see that double on there. And remember what I said, keep it within the circles, because that's anything on the outside. So think of it like if you were doing a postcard. So you want to make sure that those actual items, you want to make sure those actual items on within the circle are, I don't want to say, as long as you stay within the circle, that you're fine. So anything that's on the outside is going to be cut off within the preview of your profile photo. So that's all. I hope this was helpful and you learned something. And give this video a thumbs up. Give me in the comments information in the comment below. And thank you for watching.